Work for yourself, they said. It'll be great. You can work the hours you want to. What they didn't tell you was those hours would include all weekend. And then also what they didn't tell you was you get to work on your own. You're also in charge of people's prized possessions, their home. Now, although it does sound like I'm whinging and whining, which I am to a degree, none of that is a problem. But the one thing that just really, really upset me is a thing that BT Tap to Pay seemed to have sorted out. Let me tell you about it. They have created an app where you can take payment and all you need is something you carry with you all day, every day. Pretty much, it's never out of your hands. That's right, it's your phone. You can now take payments over your phone. So no more of these carrying around card machines, making sure they're charged. With the BT Tap to Pay app, all you got to do, get your phone out, get your customer to get their credit or debit card out, tap it on your phone, and you're paid. So no more of this waiting for bank transfers, or worst of all, I'll write you a check. All you need now is your phone and the BT Tap to Pay app. The clever way to make your cash flow problems go away.